Standard First, Subject English. Hello children, I am Mrs. Lata Shinde. In this video, we will learn about subject English. Let's see our topic for today. Our topic name is Anup and Wasim add numbers. Children, what can you see in this picture? Yes, it is a picture of a girl. What is there in the girl's hand, or what can you see the girl has hold? Yes, she has a ball. She is taking the ball, or else you can see she is picking up the ball. So this action is called pick up. P-I-C-K-U-P up. Pick up. Pick up means something to take or hold. Okay. See this one. What is this picture? Yes, this is a picture of a stick. S-T-I-C-K. Stick. Who used the stick? Can you guess and tell me? Yes, the old people use the stick. And the people, those who are disabled or handicapped, yes or no, they also take the help of stick, support of stick. Yes, so it is a stick. The next picture, can you tell me what is this picture? Yes, it is a ship. You all have seen the ship. It is giving us a wool which is very soft, and we can make the sweaters, mufflers, shawl, the warm clothes from the wool. So who gives us wool? Ship. S-H-E-E-T. Ship. It is very useful. Ship is very useful. Okay. Now let us see the next picture. Yes, it is a cat. C-A-T, cat. You have seen this in your surrounding, in your home. Yes or no? See this picture. Can you tell me what is this picture is? The picture is of a tree. You can see the leaves, the branches, the root. Yes or no? The trees are also useful for us. Trees gives us fruit, it gives us flowers, it gives us shade. Yes or no? So trees are useful for us. And we also say trees are our best friend. Yes or no? Because it is very useful. All the parts of the trees are useful. So that's why it is a tree, and which is very useful for us. Let us see the next one. Now, can you guess what is this picture is about? Yes, it is a picture of a goat. What is it? A goat. Yes, you can see the goat, especially when you go to your native place, village. Goat gives us milk also, and it can be used for flesh. Okay. So, before we could start our lesson, we will see the new words which will come in the lesson. So, I will tell you what are its meaning and how to pronounce it. The first word. We have seen the pictures of these new words. Now let us read the words and pronounce it. First word, pick up. P-I-C-K, pick. U-P, up. Pick up. Second word, stick. S-T-I-C-K, stick. Third word, ship. S-H-E-E-P, ship. Fourth word, C-A-T, cat. Fifth word, tree. T-R-E-E, tree. And the last one, G-O-A-T, goat. So children, these are the new words. Okay. Now have you understood about the pronunciation of the words and meaning also? Now let us, our lesson is Anup and Wasim add numbers. I will read the lesson. You all will follow where I am reading. Anup and Wasim are at school. They add numbers. Anup asks, what can we count? Wasim says, we can count our fingers. Anup says, I have 2 fingers. I add 3 fingers. How many fingers do you see now, Wasim? So children, here Anup and Wasim are talking to each other. They are at school. Children, you also, when you are also going to school, you are also having your friends and you also chat or talk with them. Same way, Anup and Wasim are talking to each other. And that time they are not only talking, but they are adding the numbers also. Anup says, what can we count? Then Wasim gives him answer and he says, we can count our fingers. Children, all of you know that we have the fingers. Yes or no? We have 2 hands and there are 5 fingers for each hand. So total how many fingers are there? Total 10 fingers are there. Yes or no? Anup then says, I have 2 fingers. He shows his 2 fingers and he says that I am adding more 3 fingers. Now tell me, Wasim, how many fingers are in total? He asked the question to Wasim. Okay. Next one. Wasim counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5 fingers. Anup says, Wasim, add 4 and 5 fingers. How many are they? Then Wasim counts the finger and he says that he has 5 fingers. 3 and 2 is total 5. Okay. Then Anup starts asking Wasim that add your 4 fingers with 5 fingers. Then tell me how many are together. How many total number of fingers can you tell me? He asked. Okay. So children, that was your lesson. Now let us see what Anup and Wasim wants to tell us. They wants to tell us about addition. So they are telling us the word add means to put together. The word add means put together. Okay. So let us count like Anup and Wasim. What can you see here? Yes, a one circle, white color circle. Yes or no? We will add one more in that. Okay, we will add one more like this way. How many total circles are there on the screen now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct or not? Then we will add 1, 2. 2 white circles more. Then how many total number of circles are there now here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 white circles. Okay. Now fingers count. Okay. Now we have seen Anup and Wasim are adding the fingers. So let us add the fingers. We will also add. Yes. You can see there are total number of fingers 10. Yes or no? We have for each hand 5 fingers. And when we will add 2 hands finger, it will become total number 10. Okay. So we have 10 fingers. Let us do this activity. You can see on the left side there are 5 fingers and on the right side there are 2 fingers. So total is number 7. You can see in the box there are three sticks and on the right side you can see there are more 3 sticks. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 number. Okay. Now complete the following. You can see there are 2 balls and then if we add in that 3 more balls it will become total 5. There are 5 pencils. If we add 2 more pencils in that it will become number 7. There is 1 stick and if we add 3 sticks more then how many total number of sticks are there? 4. 4. Let us see the homework. What is your homework? Let's see. Yes, question and answer. Question. Answer the following questions. First one. Who is in the story? Yes, the answer is Anup and Wasim are in the story. What are Anup and Wasim doing? Answer is Anup and Wasim are adding numbers. Thank you.